It is a rare accolade, a distinction that sets even the best lawyers apart. Recently, I stumbled across this sisterhood bound together by a supreme achievement. This picture may be worth 1,000 words, but it is not the beginning of this story.
How much I wished that my ancestors could be there to see this moment.
For me, it was such a solemn, serious, dignified experience because I could remember the struggles of being in law school, of being broke, of being hungry, of having to go through those classes and carry those heavy books.
On February 21st,
it's one of those moments.
And that's exactly how
The air, it's like the air changes.
Yes.
12 judges and lawyers from Palm Beach and Broward counties were sworn into the United States Supreme Court. The distinction, rare in itself, then add in gender and race.
There was a sign on the gate, and there was, you know, how people take selfies. And the sign, what the sign said was something like, "Do not enter." And they posted it on Facebook, I saw that. And it was not anything meaningful for that person. But as I looked at it the other night, and it was a black woman, what it reminded me is that there are times when you could not enter that. You could not go up those stairs. You could not enter those doors. It was a full experience.
And we were literally standing there, literally linked shoulder to shoulder as one group. It was magnificent.
This sisterhood united by common bonds and strengthened by this woman, the first black female judge in Palm Beach County. A fledgling association that bears her name was formed to keep black female litigators from leaving the profession at alarming rates. And what's going through your mind, steps of the Supreme Court?
I felt comforted. I felt confident because I knew the person to my right and the person to my left was experiencing this moment with me, and they were supportive of me.
A picture-perfect moment, but by no means the end of this story. Rather, a door open to now seek justice in the highest court of the land.
When that opportunity does come knocking, you don't have to ask somebody else to do it.
Yeah, I could do this. I could win. Okay, give me the right case. I would not have nerves. I could do this.
Well, this was not a quick process. The lawyers, judges, they were vetted for a year. They had to be sponsored. One of the highlights for them, though, was being sworn in front of Supreme Court Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson, who is also a South Florida native.